the night, whiskey rainstorm, railroad tracks and junkyards, leading off to nothing but the bottom of a bottle. A battle with the demon, rattling and screaming, surrender to the dreaming about a thunderlit night so many years ago. Gunshots in the alley, harmonized with thunder, beat of final movements of a tragic score. Rain and mud and crying, thunder and the lightning, and blood draining the life from the fearless soul. He was going for the gold, but he bought an ounce of lead. Now he's crawling on his belly like some maggot in the dead. Ransom for a prince for his bloodstained store. His money can't save him from where he's gonna go. He's more than alone now. He's dying. Fistful of 20s can't plug a hole in your gut made by a 38 slug at close range. The thunder and the lightning, the blood and the mud, the hate and the fear can't change. Thunder and the lightning, the blood and the mud, the hate and the fear that bring you over here to the bottom of a bottle, in a riddle and a dream. And the night so many years ago, it makes you want to scream about the thunder and the lightning, the blood and the mud, the flesh and the soul. Bottom of a bottle, battle with a demon, rattling and screaming. Surrender to the dreaming about a thunderlit night so many years ago. Gunshots in the alley, harmonized with thunder.